And Lansing police are looking for a second suspect some 4 months later in connection with the New Year's Day beating that ended in death. Shireen Tagarobi on why it's taking prosecutors so long to file charges.
Austin Smith is charged with involuntary manslaughter in the beating death of 30-year-old Travis Peterson.
But there are a number of witnesses. Remember, this was New Year's Eve.
At the time, Smith was a bouncer at Brannigan Brothers in downtown Lansing. Peterson died after never recovering from injuries he got during a fight that started there. We asked Ingham County Prosecutor Stuart Dunnings why this has taken 4.5 months.
Some cases are trying to weed out what the facts really are. Other cases, you might have legal problems, legal issues. And in this case, we had both.
Plus, Dunnings didn't get toxicology reports until weeks ago.
I know some people are probably questioning why manslaughter and not murder, and there's factual reasons why it was charged the way it was.
A Brannigan Brothers employee tells us the bar has since replaced the entire staff, and 2 doors down at Tavern on the Square, the manager says bouncers don't get physical unless the patron does first.
Although this is a very tragic event, it's one that isn't ultimately the responsibility of my client.
Andrew Abood is Smith's attorney. He says the claims against him have no merit. Now, the prosecutor has charged a second person with involuntary manslaughter as well, but he has not been formally charged in court. That aside, Dunnings doesn't want to lose sight of the victim.
This is about a family that lost a young person, and it's tragic.
In Lansing, Shireen Tagarobi, Fox 47 News.
Smith previously worked as an unpaid reserve officer at the Lake Odessa Police Department. The police chief there tells us Smith was dismissed in October of 2011 after getting a speeding ticket in Eaton County. Smith is expected back in court next Tuesday.